Good morning, Miss In.
Good morning class, I'm Miss In. Today I will be showing a solution to a math Olympiad questions. If you are taking Olympiad math, I hope it will be useful to you. But if you are not, I hope you find it interesting. Let's begin. Okay, so in these questions, there are 50 coins number 1 to 50 placed in a row on the table with heads facing up. 50 students are ordered to flip the coins on the table. The first student has to flip the coins number as multiple of 1. The second student has to flip the coins number as multiple of 2. The third student has to flip the coins number as multiple of 3. This pattern goes on. And the 50th student has to flip the coin number as multiple of 50. Find the number of coins with tails facing up. Okay, students, in order to solve these questions, first of all, I will use an example of 10 coins to explain the concept of these questions so that I can use the same concept to solve these questions of 50 coins. And also, I would like students to understand that you try to imagine there are 10 coins placed on the table, all coins with head facing up. Imagine this side of my hand is head, the other side is tail, head and tail. Imagine all 10 coins with head facing up. If the coin is flipped once, then we have coin with tail facing up. If we have coins, if we flip the coins for 2 times, 1, 2, then the coins will have head facing up back to the original state. So if the coin is flipped 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then it will have tail facing up. And if the coin is flipped 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it comes back to the original state with head facing up. So from here we can see that when the coin is flipped 1 time or 3 times, odd number of times, we have the coin with tail facing up. So let me write down here. So odd number of times. Then we have tail facing up. And if the coin is flipped even number of times, for example, 2 times, 1, 2, back to the original state, head facing up. 4 times even number, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we will have head facing up. So when the coin is flipped even number of times, it will have head facing up. So even number of times, so it will be head facing up. So next I'm going to draw 10 coins on this screen. So I'm going to put coin number 1, coin number 2, coin number 3, coin number 4, coin number 5, coin number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10. Coin number 10. Okay, and I'm going to write down letter H to show that all these coins have head facing up. Okay, let's imagine the first student come to the table. And this student need to flip the coins with number as multiples of 1, which means this student need to flip all the coins because all the number 1 to 10 are multiples of 1. So next, I'm going to put down T that represent all these coins have tail facing up. And then I'm going to put 1 to show that all these coins are flipped by the first student. Okay, now imagine the second student come to the table, and he will need to flip the coins with number as multiples of 2. In that case, that student will need to flip coin number 2, number 4, number 6, number 8, and number 10, as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are actually multiples of 2. So I'm gonna put, and all these coin, like coin number 2 with tail facing up, now it will turn to head facing up. And coin number 4 will be head facing up, coin number 6 will be head facing up, coin number 8 will be head facing up, and coin number 10 will have head facing up. And I'm gonna put 2 to show that these coins are flipped by the second students. Okay, so this process go on to the third student. Okay, imagine the third student now come to the table. So that student will need to flip the coins with number multiples of 3. In that case, that student will need to flip coin number 3, 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 6, and 3 times 3, 9. So 3, 6, 9 are the coins that the student need to flip. So now, so coin number 3 has tail facing up, then it will have head facing up now. Coin number 6, head facing up, will turn to be tail facing up. And coin number 9, tail facing up, will have head facing up now. And next, I'm gonna put 3. So these coins are flipped by the third student. Okay, imagine the fourth student come to the table, and okay, let me erase all this tick. So the fourth student come to the table, and he will need to flip the coin that's numbered with multiples of 4. 4 times 1, 4, and 4 times 2, 8. So the student will need to flip coin number 4. Okay, let me get blue. Coin number 4 and coin number 8. So coin number 4, head facing up, will be tail facing up. Coin number 8, head facing up, will be tail facing up. And I'm going to put 4 here. Okay, now the fifth student. The fifth student come to the table. Okay, then these students will need to flip coin number 5, 5 times 1, and 5 times 2, 10. So these are the 2 coins the student need to flip. So coin number 5, it has tail facing up, now it will have head facing up. Coin number 10 has head facing up, will be tail facing up. And next I'm gonna put 5. And the 6 students, when the 6th student come to the table, he will only need to flip 1 coin, multiple of 6, which is 6 times 1, 6. So only this coin. So then coin number 6, tail facing up, will be head facing up now. And I will put 6 here. Okay, then student number 7 come to the table. There's only 1 coin he needs to flip, which is coin number 7. So coin number 7 is tail, then turns to head facing up. And I'm going to put 7 here. So student number 8, when it comes to the table, he will need to flip only 1 coin, which is coin number 8. It's 8 is the only multiples of 8 from number 1 to 10. So coin number 8 has tail facing up, it will be head facing up now. And I'm gonna put 8. And student number 9 come to the table, only 1 coin that need to be flipped, which is coin number 9, because there's only 1 multiples of 9 from 1 to 10. So I'm gonna put head turns to tail and 9. At last, the final student come to the table, he will only need to flip coin number 10. There's only 1 multiples of 10. Then we will have tail become head facing up, and I'm going to put 10 here. So that's the end of the game. So from here, we can see of all these 10 coins, there's only coin number 1, coin number 4, and coin number 9 with tail facing up. And also we can see that this coin, like coin number 1, is flipped 1 time. Coin number 4 is flipped 3 times. And coin number 9 is flipped 3 times. which is odd number of times. And the rest of the coins, for example, coin number 2, it is flipped 2 times. Coin number 3, it is flipped 2 times. Coin number 5 is flipped 2 times. Coin number 6 is flipped 4 times. Coin number 7 flipped 2 times. Coin number 8 is flipped 4 times. And coin number 10 is flipped 4 times, which is even number of times. And from this we can also see that the coin is actually flipped by the student with number, which is the factors of the number of the coins. What I mean is, for example, coin number 6, it is flipped by student number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 6, because 6 is divided by 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. So whoever students with factors of 6, with the number factor of 6, these are the students going to flip coin number 6. And for example, when you look at coin number 9, coin number 9 is flipped by student number 1, 3, and 9. 1, 3, 9 are the factors of 9. So whoever students with factors of 9, these are the students going to flip coin number 9. And from here we can see that how many times a coin is flipped, it depends on how many factors it has. For example, coin number 6, it has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, 6, so it will be flipped 4 times. Coin number 9, it has 3 factors, 1, 3, 9. So this coin will be flipped 3 times. So whether a coin will be flipped by even number of times or a coin will be flipped by odd number of times, it depends on whether these coins have even number of factors or odd number of factors. And the other things that I'm not sure if you guys realize that for the numbers from 1 to 10, the only numbers that has odd number of factors are actually the square number. For example, 1, it has 1 factor, 1 is a square number. 4, it has 3 factors, so you'll be flipped 3 times, it is a square number. Coin number 9, it will be flipped 3 times, odd number of factors. So 9 is also a square number. And the rest of the number are not square number, and they all have even number of factors. Is this true for all the numbers? I will show you in another screen. Let me show you this. Okay, Okay, so let's take an example of maybe 16. 16 is a square number. So I'm gonna put square number. Okay, 16. Let's try to write down all the factors of 16. For example, 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and 4 times 4. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4 times 4 because they are the same number, so I'm going to write down only once. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Okay, we take another number which is not the square number. Maybe we take 20. 20 is not a square number. So 20, we have 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. These are all the factors of 20. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So from here we can see that for factors of 16 are like 1 times 16. 1 times 16, 1 and 16 is actually a pair. One pair, they give us the product of 16. And then another pair is 2 and 8. 2 and 8, 2 times 8 is one pair of number where the product also 16. But 4, it looks like 4 doesn't have a number to have to form a pair to get 16 because it's times by itself, and these only happen to square number. So for square number, it has odd number of factors. Whereas if you look at not a square number, for example, 20, 1 and 20, this will give us a pair that gives us a product of 20. And 2 times 10, a pair that gives us 20, where the product gives us 20, and 4 times 5. That's why whenever we have a number which is not a square number, the number of factor is always even number. Okay, so let's come back to these questions. So now, come back to these questions where we have a coin, 50 coins, 1 to 50. So from here, we will need to find from 1 to 50. Let's list out all the square number. For example, 1 times 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 4, 16, 5 times 5, 25, 6 times 6, 36, 7 times 7, 49. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 are all the square number. And the coin with all these numbers are the coins with odd number of factors. And these are the coins will be flipped by odd number of times. And these are the coins with tails facing up. So since 7 times 7 is 49, there will be 7 square number. So the answer is 7 coins. That's all for today. I hope you guys find this very interesting. If you like the content, please comment, like, and subscribe.